what you'll be able to do is clone the Kwaai repo, and then all those commands that I just showed you, you can do the same thing. So this is like, I don't know how most people onboard into Kwaai at the moment. I assume they're like on Mac and they like do various commands to install Rust and all the things, right? You've probably got this set of instructions. With this, you just install Nix and then just run the flake and it does everything for you. So it's a super easy way to onboard. So yeah, where I was coming from, Reza, is that if we can get the test infrastructure easy at the bottom, it means we can move faster, right? So we'll be able to make changes pretty quickly, drop it into the test cycle, make sure it all passes, and we'll be pretty confident everything's working, right? So I wasn't really sure what really to check up the application layer, but it's set up in a way to support, I call it life cycles. It's just, you can keep building more and more tests if you want to check things.
Dave, I was setting a goal for the end of this month, or the phase we're in at the moment is infrastructure hardening. We're hardening what is a prototype infrastructure, and I set a goal of 80% test coverage. What you showed me today gives me confidence that we're not only going to be able to meet that, we're going to be able to exceed it, because I was thinking there's going to be a fairly complex test harness that needs to be developed. And you've showed us that maybe through Nix this is a lot easier.